Okay, in this video today, I'm gonna talk about and show how to install how to set up and install I'm gonna show how to first of all, this is a FydeOS version 10.2. I believe it's based on Chromium OS 83. I have to ask on the FydeOS forum on Telegram group. By the way, this video today is about setting up Android on FydeOS. And before I start to talk about the Android here, just wanna show the time here. September 16, and it's the website time is here. Okay, so for people who don't know, FydeOS the option here. Okay. Okay, FydeOS is a Chromium-based distro. FydeOS before was named FlintOS, renamed to FydeOS June 2018, and that's the only Chromium OS based distro that supports Android apps. And I'm going to show how easy it is to enable Android apps here on FydeOS, and I will show how to enable Android and how you can use different mobile app stores here. The list here is from 2019, but I will have this link on the video description here. And so there is the way I'm going to show here, we're going to be able to use the Google Play Store. And also I will give the information on how to install Huawei App Store. It can be, if you want to install Aptoid. Okay, F-Droid, definitely I'm going to install. The F-Droid here is open source software. I'm going to have the link. I'm going to have to enable Android first. Then I'm going to reboot the computer, and then I'm going to use Google Play Store, and also I'm going to install some of this App Store here. There's a big list here of the App Store, and I will show how you can use Chinese market mobile App Store. I haven't played with this store here yet. Let's see, Baidu, Oppo, App China, Tencent, mobile App Store. No App Store study. Just give all the information here. It's from LBRY. So I'll have a link on the video description here on my YouTube channel here. And like I said, I'm going to show how easy it is to enable Android apps here. First of all, you go here to the app drawer. Then you're gonna see here the Android here. Then you click on the Android icon here. Then you scroll down here if you want to read everything here. Activate FydeOS Android subsystem. Then I'll just take some screenshots here and click here on launch. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to reboot the computer. I'm going to reboot the computer to finish the setup here. Okay, there is one more thing that I have to do before I reboot the computer. First, I will go to the store here, the FydeOS App Store. And what you're gonna look for, click here, actually on the made by FydeOS here. Let's see if this one. Okay, made by FydeOS. Then what you're gonna do here, we're gonna use configure open store. Click on here to download the configure open gaps. Click here, add to FydeOS. Click add the app. Add app. Okay. Okay, you can close. You can click open app here, or you can go here and see the open gaps icon here. Click on the open gap here. Configure open gaps. So scroll down here to see the license here. Select here. Click next. Click on okay. The Open Gaps project. I will give some information after I have everything set up. At the end of the video, I will show what OpenGap is. So just have to do click install. Okay, here. Okay, I'm not gonna pause the video because I wanna see the whole installation here going on. Okay, by the way, I did a fresh. This is my second computer that I have with FydeOS, and we will have two installation of FydeOS on each computer. One using the FydeOS service, and the other one using the Google option there. And I want to see what's the difference between using the Google and using the FydeOS. And that's the reason why I want to have two installation. I'm right now I'm dual booting on this computer here. I'm dual booting Linux Mint with FydeOS. I have a video that I have to upload to YouTube. I show how to dual boot uh, Linux, how to dual boot FireOS with other operating system. You say dual boot, but you can triple boot, you can multi-boot using the FireOS installer here. You just have to make sure you install all the OSs that you want to use, and then you create a partition with. I would recommend a 32 gigabyte plus partition if you plan to use Android and the Linux apps. I recommend to use like 128 gigabyte or use the whole drive. And this computer here is an old computer, and it runs very smooth with the Chrome OS here. You gotta wait until it's finished the installation here, but it's very light. This computer here is from 2013. This is a Intel dual core Celeron processor, and it's very light. Chromium based distros are very light, and you can easily use. You can easily recycle old computers. Computer that has the Intel CPU and graphics. You can install FydeOS, and once Chromebooks start to sell with the Ryzen processor, will be more support for AMD CPU and graphics. Right now, it does not support NVIDIA. So anyway, Okay, as you can see, installation is done. What we're gonna do here, I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna I'm gonna pause the video here. Okay, I'm gonna reboot the computer and show how to finish setting up the Google Play Store here, and then we're gonna work here with the app stores here that that we can use. I might install here the LBRY here. We will install the Huawei App Store, and there's other app store that is not in the list here, but also you can sideload Android apps here. So I'm gonna reboot the computer and finish doing the showing how to setting up Android here on FydeOS. Okay, as you can see, after we reboot the computer, you have the Play Store here icon here. Also, if you go to the app drawer here, you have the Play Store icon here. Now, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to open the Play Store for the first time here. I'm going to sign in. Then what I have to do here, I created this account here just to use with FydeOS. And as you can see, the Android, when you see the screenshot like that, take the whole screen, that's Android. Click here, agree here. And also you can edit the screenshot, everything. Chrome OS is going to change, it's going to have, right now I'm using a web app to record the desktop here, but Chrome OS will support uh, software that can take a screenshot and record the screen without using a web app, which is going to be great because the web app Sometimes if the browser crash, you lose all the recording, and you I recommend that if you plan to use Google service, you enable sync, because if you enable sync and save everything to the Google Drive or Google Photos gives unlimited image and video. So if you the image and video, you can save it. You can save it direct to the Google Photos, and the rest of the data you can save it on the Google Drive. On Google Drive you get up to 15 gigabyte storage for Google Drive, for Gmail, for Google. So let's see what app I'm going to install here. I can install here the Microsoft stuff here. Let's see what I want to install. Let's see. I'm just going to install one app only to show that the Android here works. So I'm going to start with I use Twitter, Facebook. No, for now I don't use a lot of Instagram, but I will start upload a video to my Instagram account here. WhatsApp I use a lot here. Uh, the messenger. So I'm gonna install here Twitter. Click here install. I think it's some short, so you know the stuff is working. I want to see the WhatsApp Messenger. I believe you need a phone number to work. So well, I will have to check here. Okay, so I'm going to install the Telegram here too. Okay, also I'm going to install Facebook Live. here. Facebook Lite is a 1.4 megabyte. The Facebook 69 megabyte. A lot. So I will install the WhatsApp Messenger here. To use it, you must have a phone number. So maybe we'll try to hack this. Use like a modem. I have to see. I'm not gonna install the WhatsApp for now. So I'm not gonna install it. So for now, I'm just gonna install one more app here. Let me see. What Android app? Screen recorder, view editor. Oh, let me see here. I think I want to try one app here that I can merge some video files here. Let me see here my smartphone. What apps? The app here. I believe Android V. Let me search here. Android V. Okay, Android V, Video Maker. This is I want to install the software here. This video I make on using the web app Nimbus. Is the video format that you saved is a WebM, and I need a software to be able to merge the files. And I believe that's the app that I use. I have to transfer the file to my smartphone and merge the files there. Authenticator. So okay, so let's see if this software here, Android Video here. Okay, the Android Video you can use here. select the files here. Let's see if let's see something. Okay, it's found the file there. So webam, this is the video that I'm making right now, setting up Android on FydeOS here, v10.2. So I started to record one video and then I stopped, recorded a second video. Okay, in this video today, I'm gonna talk about and show. Okay, there is one more thing that I have to do before I reboot the computer. First, okay, the app, it works, but as you can see here, the screenshot of the video here, uh, screenshot of the video. For now, I'm just gonna see here. So the apps right now, the I have the Telegram here, the Facebook, and the Twitter here, and the Android vid here. So now I'm going to show different ways you can. We're going to use a different app store now, and the app store that we're going to use. Okay, the app store that so the app store that I'm going to install now. So what I have now, the Google Play Store. Now I want to install here the Huawei App Store, and also I want to install here the F-Droid here. So the F-Droid here, so you can run this from the new Linux and verify the PGP signature here. But anyway, so I'm going to download F-Droid here. I'm going to save it, save this to Android here. And come back. Okay, so that so when you install a, so when you see the screenshot like that, to take the whole screen, that's Android. So here you can continue here, click here to okay, like that. So you click install here. Click open here. You see it was true, a screenshot. One from Chrome OS and the other one from the Android container. So the first time you install the App Store, you gotta wait until it updates. And then after it updates, then you can install the latest Android software. See here on the icon here on the shelf is say the package installer. What is updating here? Actually, I think I have the Google Play open here. Let me see. What's the option? Okay, I'm gonna close the App Store here. As you can see here, this is the called F-Droid here. See here, you take a screenshot from Chrome OS and then from Android container. Because I have this app, this web app here is from Chrome OS, and this one here is from Android here. So when you take a screenshot here, you use the Chrome OS Chromium OS screenshot, and then it use the Android screenshot here too. But anyway, let's see what you can do here about F-Droid. So what's about? Let's see here. Forum support, general public license. Always use this connection when available. Additional source of apps. I have to see show available updates. Okay, you can customize this here. I want to see here the night. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it looks different. So let's see. Yeah, it looks much better. So over there, show team night. On the dark one. Okay, the dark. Okay. So I don't know what app I'm going to install here. I have to think about here. You can see here device connect, home assistant. Let me use the whole screen here. Games. I pick multimedia, navigation, science and education, track, time. Let's see this. Let's see the sleep timer here. So let's see here. Sleep timer. The connection is fast. Okay. For your security, your phone is not allowed to install new apps from this source. Settings here. So my phone, now I can install the apps. That's not a problem anymore. So I go back here, click on install, install, sleep timer. This time, okay, I can click here, open. Let's see if there is a shortcut of the, so sleep timer. So sleep timer. So, okay, the F droid here. So let's make a shortcut to the shelf. So we have another. So we have Google Play Store. Now we have F droid and the sleep timer here. Let's see how it works. Okay, so now we get the lock screen, install it. So you tell whatever time to the app to lock down the. Let's see here. It does work. Does work. So that's it. So this one app store. So we're gonna go to, like I said, this is the F-Droid. So I saved this already. And the PGP here. Okay, this is the Huawei. Okay, so you're going to download this direct from hold on, let me see something here. Up to download another app store here. So I'm going to save this to the Android here. Let me go back here, see the option here. Consumer Hawaii. Let's see here. So okay, I can download from here. I can download it from here. That's the 10.4 official Huawei app updated on 6/7. This is how it looks. And then what's the other option here? August 13. Let's see here. Okay, so this one here, you know, the latest version here, August 6, 6, 2020. And this one here, what it says here. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, let me show you. See this here. Okay, so I can download this. Download this from 10.4.301. Okay, this is the latest one here. 10.4.1304. This is not the latest one. 301. Actually, it has a. Oh, so the 301 is the latest one. Yeah, I'm going to download from here. So, put it to 33 megabytes. Okay, now uh, go here, here, and you have to install the APK first. So what happened here, you go to the files browser here, file, I forgot how to call it. Let me organize this here. New folder. Shit. Let me rename this folder. Software and new folder Android. So you go to downloads here. We're gonna move this folder to the right place here. So paste the file here. Now you're just gonna have to do is install it. So when you double click here, will come up the package installer. Then you click continue here. Click install. Click open. Click allow here. Click next. Click agree. Yeah, you're right. Click on agree again. Okay, now what's gonna happen here, you're gonna have to update click install here. So I'm gonna wait until it finish downloading and updating, and then we'll show how to install the web apps using Huawei App Gallery. Okay, as you can see now, after is updating the app, you have to set up the why app gallery. Okay, install. Install. Click on that here. Okay, now says the app gallery needs update here. And it's going to be 34 megabytes. Click on update. As you can see here, it's downloading here at 2.1 megabit per second. And like I said, uh, okay, now do you want to install one update to this existing application? The existing data will not be lost. It does not require any special access. Okay, let's install. You have to click continue here. Uh, Click next. Okay, now we're gonna right click here, pinch shelf. I'm gonna make a shortcut here. So now we have the app gallery. Okay, so now I'm going to install uh, the ES File Explorer. Just have to do is click install here. So you see how quick the App Store here is. Okay, just have to do click install here. Okay, the app has been installed. So if I go here, I can this. I got a ES File Explorer there. This one doesn't, I believe, doesn't have access to the. You can go here. Okay, for Android, I would say that's the best file browser. I want to see when Google would make a file browser like this for Chrome OS. There's lots of ways, lots of things you can do with this file browser here. So anyway, so I just installed this app here just to show that the App Store works. But like I said, file browser, uh, you gotta use a Linux app. There is a different file browser you can use. But anyway, this is the Huawei App Store here, and let me close the Huawei App Store, and I'm just gonna show. This is gonna show. I ask you the question here. Okay, so if you don't want to install the app gallery here on the FydeOS here, you just can go here to the FydeOS to the FydeOS actually you can just go here to the app gallery here y.com, and from here you can install the app here, so you don't have to you don't have to install it. So this is one of the app gallery here, and I have this one here that I'm gonna share from Android Authority, and this is the Amazon App Store here, APK Pure, the F-Droid here. So I'm just gonna see the Amazon here. Let me just see if the Amazon App Store if it's easy to install. Let's see how easy it is to install the Amazon App Store. Hold on. Well, you have to, step one, I believe the software that you can, I have a software installed here. Oh, it's not here. Okay, anyway, you just have to download Amazon App Store. Use a link sent to you email to navigate to the Amazon App Store download page. Okay, so this one here is you have to send an email. You can use this one too. just want to save this here on Android here, and also APK here. I'm gonna make a shortcut about this. Deploy. And then the other one here. So I just saved the. I'm just gonna save this here. I'm not gonna install anymore. Laptop. Let's see. Let's open this. This. And this. And I'm gonna close this here. Why is it so? This is about the FydeOS. FydeOS. I believe FydeOS FydeOS version 10.2 is based on Chromium OS uh, version 83, I believe. Okay, so let's see. You can open the app right here. Okay, so Samsung App Store, blah blah blah. Let's save this here. So okay, so like I said, there is easy ways to install Android apps here. Actually, it has to be like that. And like I said, there is the Play Store here, App Gallery, F-Droid, and the web app here. And also you can use like I have the shortcut here with the Android here. I can go to the Hawaii App Gallery here, or F-Droid. F-Droid is on not installed there. I can use the APK mirror here, the F-Droid here. So Very easy. So just going to install Telegram here. Let's see here. How big is Telegram? Actually, I'm not going to use Telegram because it's 55 megabytes. So I have to download. So there's different ways you can install apps here. And okay, I'm going to end this video now. And like I said, the next video is going to be setting up Linux on FydeOS version 10.2. And that's it for now. If you like the video, please subscribe and share. Subscribe, give a like, and share. And don't forget that you can post your questions that you might have on my YouTube channel here, or you can uh, you can post your question direct to the FydeOS Telegram group here. This information is going to be on the video description. It's going to be a link that you just click and get to the Telegram here. So that's it. You have a good day, good night, good evening, and I'll see you in the next video.